Asia continent is surrounded by Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Do you know how many countries are in Asia? Yes, Asia consists of 48 countries, and Asia has the world's highest peaks in the world, that called Himalaya. So Asia has more than 4 billion people residing. Okay, let's come to our next continent, that's Africa. Africa continent is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Mediterranean Sea, and Red Sea. Atlantic, there are 54 countries are in Africa. Do you know what is the largest country in Africa? It's Algeria, and African country has the longest river in the world, that is River Nile. African continent also consists of largest hot desert, that is Sahara Desert, to the northern Africa. So let's come to our next continent, that is North America. North America is third largest continent in the world. USA is the richest country, and Mexico is the most populous country in the North America. So our next continent is South America. South America is covered by Pacific Ocean to the west and Atlantic Ocean to the east. There are 12 countries in South America. So now let's go to our next continent, that is Antarctica. Antarctica is a continent covered with ice, and it is surrounded by Southern Sea. Do you know that is a home of many species of penguins? Now let's come to our next continent, that is European continent. That is the European continent is the third most populous continent in the world, with 50 countries, Russia being the largest and Vatican City being the smallest country in the world. So now let's come to our final and smallest continent, that is Australia. The main cities of Australian continent is Darwin, then Sydney, etc. Now Australian animals are so famous, like kangaroos and koala. That are well-known Australian animals. So that is my kind information about Harry Potter.
Excellent. Great presentation. Well done, Raju.